Hello students of class 3. Last class, what did we see in the lesson, the storm? That there was a terrible storm, and because of that the rain was falling against the window panes, okay? And the power line was going off and on. And the narrator lived with his adopted family, isn't it? Now let us see what happens next in your lesson. Alright. So come to the lesson, the storm. Today's date is the 31st. Please let us continue. So the narrator lived with his adopted family in a 3-storied building, isn't it? There was 3 children and their parents. Now let us see what happens next, because there is a terrible storm and the rain was hitting against the window and the lights were coming and going. Okay, so now let's see what happens next. We couldn't sleep, but we stayed in bed for warmth and comfort. So they could not sleep, okay, none of them could sleep, but they were all in the bed to feel warm and for comfort. Comfort meaning safety. After about 4 hours, the roof could take no more. My part of it was the first to go. So after 4 hours, the roof of the narrator's part was the first to fly off, okay. The wind got under the roof until with a ripping sound the metal sheets blew off. So the wind got under the roof, alright, and with a ripping sound, ripping meaning tearing quickly and noisily, okay, the metal sheets, they blew off, okay, the metal sheets blew off. Then what happened? Some of them dropped with claps like thunder on the road below. So that's it, I thought. Nothing worse can happen. Okay, so what happened as the wind grew, the wind got under the roof. Okay, when the wind got under the roof, with a ripping sound, the metal sheets, you know, can you see these metal sheets? These metal sheets, okay, that blew off. And they blew off, and like thunder claps, okay, they went on to the road below. Okay, they blew onto the road below. So that's it. So that's it, I thought. Who's saying this? The narrator. Okay, because his part was the first to blow off. So that's it, I thought. This means a way of saying the storm has done everything it can. Okay, nothing worse can happen. The narrator was saying this. But suddenly I felt icy water on my face. So the narrator felt icy water on his face. He leapt from his bed, meaning he got up suddenly from his bed. Okay, a large part of the ceiling had blown off. A large part of his ceiling had blown off. Alright. Water was also pouring onto my open typewriter, onto the radio, bed covers and clothes cupboard. So water started entering, and the water poured through the windows. The water started entering, and the water also was pouring onto his open typewriter, onto his radio, onto his bed covers and the clothes cupboard. Okay. Picking up my precious typewriter. Okay, precious meaning very important, greatly loved. Okay, his precious typewriter. Picking up that, I stumbled into the front room. Stumbled into the front room meaning walked with difficulty to reach the front room. So he took his typewriter and he went into the front room. Okay. Water poured through the window slots down onto bookshelves. Okay. So the water poured, okay, through the window slots down onto the bookshelf. Okay, what is slots? Okay. See this picture over here. This is known as, you know, slots, the gaps in the window. Okay, flat pieces of wood or glass that are arranged in the window so that there are spaces between them. Water can pour through these spaces. So through these spaces, what was happening? Through these spaces, the water was coming inside. Okay, and down on the bookshelf. Alright. By now the children had joined me. See, the children had come in by now. Alright. Dolly and her brother picked up armfuls of book. See, they are picking up armfuls of books. They are helping him to get all his things, okay, because the rain is coming to his room. It is coming in, okay, through the windows and all, and carry them into their room. So they are taking his books and carrying it into their room. The floor was wet, so the books had to be piled on the beds, okay. In their room, you know, the floor was all wet, okay, and so the books all had to be piled on the beds. Suddenly, a large field rat leapt onto the desk, okay. So his floor was wet, okay. The floor of the room was wet, obviously, because rain was coming, isn't it? So they were piling all the books on the beds, okay. Suddenly what happened? A large field rat leapt onto the desk. A large field rat leapt onto the desk. Dolly squealed and ran for the door. So the girl, she got very scared and she ran for the door, seeing the rat. Alright. This is all we will do today, students. We will continue the lesson in the next class. So, let us come to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. Learn it well and write it in your English literature copy. Ripping, tearing quickly and noisily. So that's it. I thought a way of saying the storm has done everything it can. Precious, very important and greatly loved. Stumbled into the front room, walked with difficulty to reach the front room. Slots, flat pieces of wood or glass that are arranged in a window so that there are spaces between them. Water can pour through these spaces. Okay. Okay, students, thank you. That's all for today. I hope this much is clear to you. Please read it and learn it well. Learn the word meanings also well. Write it in your English literature copy. We will continue the lesson in your next class. Thank you, students, and God bless.